Hay fever. Introduction. Is hay fever a rare allergy? Select yes or no. Correct. Hay fever is a very common allergy. When the pollen count is high, it is hard to avoid pollen even when staying indoors with the windows closed. Hay fever can cause death. Select true or false. Correct. In rare cases, hay fever can be life-threatening and lead to death. An allergic reaction happens when the body mistakes a harmless substance for something that will harm the body. Select true or false. Correct. In people with allergies, the body mistakes a harmless allergen like pollen for something that could cause harm to the body. The body responds by releasing histamine. This causes the symptoms of an allergic reaction. Can an allergy shot cure hay fever with a single dose? Select yes or no. Correct. Allergy shots often are given over a period of 3 to 5 years. The best thing you can do to prevent hay fever symptoms is learn which specific allergen causes the symptoms and limit your exposure to it. Select true or false. Correct. It is not possible to completely avoid allergens. The best thing you can do to prevent hay fever symptoms is learn which specific allergen causes the symptoms and limit your exposure to it. Thank you for using Explain.